Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. As you know, we have been working on this 2004 YFZ, and we found a little more metal in the motor than we wanted from where the timing chain it actually wore a hole through the cylinder. You can see where it's rubbing metal from both sides there. There's some from the head here. And I believe whoever rebuilt this motor after that happened actually didn't even change the oil because there's so much metal down in it. But so today we're going to start tearing it down, actually taking the motor off, draining fluid, swing arm bolt, upper engine mount, well I guess you could call it the mid-engine motor mount, and then we have the one underneath here, which I can show you on my bike. This one right here. Then we got the oil line on both sides here. Take loose, obviously on that bike. And swing arm bolt, sprocket, chain. And then everything should pop right apart and we'll have the motor off. So sit back and enjoy. It might be just a long time lapse today, but maybe you'll enjoy it. Maybe you'll learn something through it. Okay, so we're out here for day 2 of getting the motor off the frame. We got kind of sidetracked the other day and hit it hard. Hopefully get this thing out and on the table here so we can get a little more in depth on this motor and raise back to health. We're trying out the new camera today too. We'll see how that works out. Alright, so hopefully the new action camera caught all that. If you follow my steps, this is what you're going to have. Here's the motor out completely. Something neat I noticed, they welded, I wouldn't call that welding, they kind of dog-turded the shifter on for us. That was nice of them. Looks like it might have another oil leak somewhere. We're going to try to investigate. I'll try to clean the motor up and see. It might have been coming from one of the oil reserve lines. It looks kind of pinched. Here's how I've kept everything neatly laid out. That way it's all easy to find again. Stood the bike up so I could spread some floor dry there. Skid plate's pretty nasty. That's actually an aftermarket one too. I don't know who made it. Tag Metallic, or Tag Metals. Sorry. Anyways, that's pretty nice. I've seen these on the YFZ HQ Facebook. Now that we've got it broke down this far, I can't wait to get this thing out of the shop and clean it a little bit. It needs a good spray off for sure. There's my bike stood up in the corner, put away, all sad. But here shortly, I'm gonna wait tonight. I probably won't do any more tonight. That was kind of a bee to get this thing off. But we'll end up popping this cover off. We'll probably clean the motor first with some good brake clean. Put the plugs in, everything we can put in, and cover up this hole. Then spray the motor off with some brake clean and scrub it a little bit. That'll really help with cleaning it up. I like to work on clean things. I don't know what else to talk about. Probably just rambling on anyways. But I'll probably push this in the corner, reorganize today, and call it a night. Alright. So we'll get cleaned up. No need to time lapse that. Hopefully everybody has a good day. It is actually Sunday here, so like and subscribe to these videos. Peace.